Hello students, I Assistant Professor Pooja Sharma from Biani Girls College, Jaipur welcome you all on the behalf of gurukpo.com. Today I am going to present my topic on code mixing. So code mixing basically I would say that in Rajasthan University pattern code mixing is not mentioned. It is not even mentioned in the syllabus of masters and BA English literature, okay, but code mixing is very easy to learn, and it is also compulsory for all of you that you must learn that what is a code mixing, okay, because as we are Indians, so we have been using code mixing in our language, okay. So code mixing is actually used for and it is also very good to learn that for your competitive exams, okay, because some of you will be preparing for competitive exams after graduation or after masters. All right, so we shall discuss about the code mixing today. So basically, what is code mixing? Code mixing is when we are using two languages in a sentence, when words of two languages are used, okay. For example, if I say marrowing up, so in marrowing up, this sentence is the example of code mixing. How can we define it? In marrowing word we are having mar and ing inflection, okay. Mar word is taken from Hindi and ing inflection is the part of English language, okay. So this is basically the example of code mixing. Now if we want to learn more about what is a code mixing, let's come to the definition and we shall have the elaboration over here, okay. So code mixing refers to the change from one language to another, okay. Now if we elaborate it, how can we say? When a word or a part of a word, when a word or part of a word of one language is combined with a word of another language, okay. As I have told you the examples, I will also tell you some more examples of it, okay. So when part of a word of one language, it can be Hindi or it can be English, and combined with the word of another language, it can also be Hindi and English, okay. So that is called code mixing. Now I have some examples of code mixing here. As I have told you about one example, that is marrowing up, and I also told you that in marrowing up, mar word is the Hindi word and ing inflection is used. That is the example of code mixing. Now some other examples we come here. Lootoing dhan, that means looting money, okay. In lootoing dhan, this kind of words, the code mixing words are actually the funny words, okay. We Indians are using them, we are using them in language, sometimes we use that, okay. So lootoing dhan, in this particular word lootoing, loot word is actually have come from the loot, okay, and the use of ing inflection that is mixed with this particular word, okay. So there is the use of two languages, the one is Hindi and the other is English, so that is the example of code mixing, okay. Same example is here. Khilaing means giving, bribe, okay. So here khilaing word means khilana, okay. Khilana has come from to give to something to someone, okay. So khilaing word means khila word has come that is the word of Hindi language, and ing word that is ing inflection of English language. Now friends, I am having here the first type of code mixing. We shall find two types of code mixing. This is of first type. Let's have the examples of it. Let's see the examples of it. Marrowing up is the habit of some people. We are using the code mixing in a sentence, okay. So marrowing up, as I have told you that mar word is the Hindi word and ing is an inflection. So how can we use it in a sentence? That marrowing up is the habit of some people. The people usually do it who are having such kind of habit, okay. The second example, I would say lootoing means looting money in corruption is a national problem. So here in lootoing word, loot plus ing, that is the mixture of Hindi and English language. The next is chalaing means circulating counterfeit notes is a pressing economic problem, okay. So here is also the word chalaing, that actually means circulating the things. Okay, so chalaying word, chala word has come from Hindi, and ing is the inflection. Okay, that is a part of English language. Next is baat chalaying is necessary to solve the problem. So in baat chalaying word, there is baat chalaying word, again it is used for circulating. Okay, the chala word has come from Hindi, and there is also the use of ing inflection. So this is first type of code mixing. Now we shall discuss about the second type of code mixing. What is that? Now we are having here second type of code mixing. So what is in second type of code mixing? That when words of Hindi language or any other language are combined with the English language. Okay, that is the second type of code mixing. We are having some examples here. Yahi hai right choice. Okay, so we are using such kind of words in our normal language. Okay, so here yahi hai word is the Hindi word, and the right choice that has been taken from English language. The next is अपनी बेटी को लेकर मैं insecure feel करता हूँ. Okay, so this particular speaker has used the whole sentence in Hindi, and the word insecure feel, he has used this word in English language. Okay, now next is हमारी संस्था द्वारा स्किल डेवलपमेंट, विमेन डेवलपमेंट, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट जैसे प्रोग्राम चलाए जा रहे हैं. Okay, so this particular sentence is having the mixture of English language words and Hindi language words. Okay, so हमारी संस्था द्वारा, that is Hindi part, जैसे चलाए जा रहे हैं, that is also the Hindi part, and the rest of the part skill development, women development, child development program. These are the parts of English language. Okay, so this is the best examples for code mixing. Next is summer season में half sleeve shirt को use करें. Okay, so in this word we are having the same thing. We are having the English and Hindi language both are together. Okay, so summer season and half sleeve shirt are the examples of English language, and may ko kare, that is the part of Hindi language. Sometimes in Hindi words English suffixes are also added. We can have some example of them. Rectification. Okay, in ratta, that word has been it is the word of Hindi, and fication is the word of English. Okay, so fication is here as used the suffix. Next is chutnification. The same thing is here. Okay, chutnified. Okay, the same words are also used here. Chutney is actually the word that is mentioned in Oxford Dictionary. It has come in Oxford Dictionary now, and the chutney word actually been also considered as an English language word. Okay, so but here the chutnification and chutnified, we all are using chutney word as a Hindi word. Okay, so fication and fied, those words are also used in Hindi with the Hindi words as suffixes. So guys, I hope you like the topic of today, that is code mixing. I hope you like my study material. If you find my video useful for your competitive exams and the other exams, so please like, comment, share and subscribe our Guru KPO channel, and visit our website gurukpo.com. Thank you.